What everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we made a little video about trying to save a tubeless tire with a sidewall cut. Looks like the hack is working, but we're going to put it to the extreme. We're going to try to do Century Plus on a repaired tire with a sidewall cut. Check it out. See how it turns out. Peace. Well, everybody, this concludes our Century ride, 110 miles. Thanks for riding with me. Thanks for watching. Peace.